Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Selena. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selena and I release a crochet tutorial every week. And this week I'm bringing to you this new pattern for a shawl. I absolutely adore it. It's a very fine shawl and it is part of my Vintage Crochet Series. It's a Victorian inspired shawl because of the delicate shape and the triangle shape. It's also very feminine and fine. So for this project I used 2 skeins of Wool and the Gang Glitterball sock yarn, and this is a different shade obviously than the one that I used. I used shade Discoball Grey, so that's Discoball Grey, and this is an example of the yarn, and this is a fingering sized yarn, so it's a very fine yarn. So this yarn is 95% wool and 5% lurex, and it has beautiful little speckles of glitter in it. I absolutely adore it. It was a delight to crochet and it will be perfect for the autumn winter because it is fine but warm. For this project I used a 4mm crochet hook along with a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. So to begin, you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and create your slip knot. Pop your hook through. And now chain 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once you've chained 4, you will be slip stitching through the first chain to close off your round, like so. And this creates a circle within which we are going to be working. So now you will chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. So once that we've chained 3, that's counts as our first double crochet, we are going to be placing 6 more double crochets within that center. So just wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the center, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn, pull through 2 loops, take your yarn, pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. And just go ahead and place 6 double crochets total within this center, and because the chain 3 at the beginning counts as a double crochet, that means we will have 7 double crochets total. So just go ahead and place all your double crochets. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've got 1 left to make, so I'm just going to add that 1 double crochet, and this is what I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets. And now, like I said, don't forget, so the first chain 3 here counts as our first double crochet, and then we added 6 double crochet within that center. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've zoomed in a bit. So now for row 2, so this, what I'm going to show you is row 2. Just go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work, this is what it looks like, and go back into that, go into that first stitch here and place a single crochet into that, and now you've got a small circle on the very edge of this shell. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go into the 4th stitch, so count 1, 2, 3 and 4, go into that stitch here and place a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go into the very last stitch, which is also the chain 3 from the previous row. Place a single crochet into that. So once you've placed a single crochet into that last stitch, you are going to be chaining 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and go back into that last stitch with another single crochet. There we go. And this is what it looks like. And so now you can see that we've got 2 circles on either end of this shell, and we are going to be working into these. So for the next row, row 3, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, this counts as our first double crochet. I'm going to turn my work just because it will look more logical. So this is our first double crochet. And we're going to go into this circle and place 6 more double crochets into that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now go into the single crochet here at the center and place a single crochet into this just to anchor down your project, and go into the circle here with 7 double crochets. 7 double crochets into that circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is what row 3 looks like. So now I am going to be showing you row 4. So for row 4, I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn my work like so, and again I'm going to single crochet through that first stitch here. Just go ahead and place a single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Go into the 4th stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, place a single crochet into that, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, go into the center here, so in between both shells, place a single crochet into that, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, go back in and make a single crochet. This is what it looks like now. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Go into the 4th stitch of the next shell, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go into that and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, go into the last stitch here and place a single crochet into that, and chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and place another single crochet into this. And this is what it looks like. So you see, this is kind of like what I like to call a skeleton row. So the row onto which we will be building our shells, and you see it's a very repetitive and easy process. So for the next row, I'm just going to pop my hook back through and show you. For the next row, I am going to be chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work and this counts as our first double crochet, and go into this circle and place 6 double crochet into this center. So just go ahead and place your 6 double crochet into the center so that we have 7 in total, as the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now you are going to place a single crochet into this stitch here to anchor down the project. Go into the next circle here and place 7 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and go into this single crochet here and anchor it down with another single crochet. This is what it looks like. And go into this circle here and place 7 double crochets into that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and this is what this row looks like. And now you are going to be chaining 4, so just go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work, place a single crochet into that first stitch to create your circle. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, go into the 4th stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, place a single crochet into that, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go skip 1, 2, 3 and go into this single crochet from the previous row to place a single crochet into that, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and go back into this stitch with a single crochet, and this creates a circle. Now count 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go into the 4th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've skipped 3 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and go into the single crochet from the previous row and place a single crochet into that. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go back in with a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Go into the 4th stitch and skip 3. So 1, 2, 3, you're going to skip those and go into the 4th with a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go into the last stitch and place your single crochet into that. So place a single crochet into that and chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and place another single crochet into that. And this is what it looks like. So you see what is going on is that we have a circle created on the corner here, and then you're going to chain over the shell, and in between each shell from the previous row you will be placing a circle, and then again a circle, and then chaining here, and then a circle. So you see, that's a very easy pattern repeat. So you are just going to alternate between this, what I call skeleton row, and then the shell row, the shell stitch row. And it will simply always be the same principle, is exactly what I've just showed you in this row. So now I'm just going to show you this last row. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work and place 6 more double crochets into this circle. So just go ahead and do that. Six, 7, and place a single crochet into the single crochet from the previous row to anchor the project down. Go into the next circle and place 7 double crochets into that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And anchor your project down with a single crochet. Go into the next circle and place 7 double crochets into that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There we go. And place a single crochet into that single crochet from the previous row, and go into the next circle with 7 double crochets. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is what this row looks like. So you are simply going to be alternating your rows as I showed you. So here you are going to be chaining 4, place a single crochet, chain 3, go into the 4th stitch, single crochet, chain 3, go into this single crochet and place another single crochet, chain 4, form a circle, chain 3, go into the 4th stitch, chain 3, chain 4, and single crochet to form a circle in between each shell stitch. Chain 3, place a single crochet, chain 3, place a single crochet, chain 4, place another single crochet to form a circle. Chain 3, place a single crochet, and chain 3 and form a circle. And then place your shell stitches. So it's a very easy pattern repeat. If you need more help, just rewind this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, thank you for watching. Bye bye.